Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to create a collapsing toolbar using Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. But before that, just look our application. So this is our application, and here you can see a collapsing toolbar is appear. Alright, so we are going to create this collapsing toolbar. So for that, first you are going to add some dependency in your build.gradle module app level file. So this is our dependency. Copy this dependency from my GitHub repository, and the link of that repository present in the description box. You can go and check it by yourself. And I'm using an image which is present here in the drawable. You can copy this image too. Now in our main activity. So in the main activity I'm using a possible naming main content, and within this main content I am going to create collapsing toolbar scaffold, pass modifier, and then after we need to pass a state. So I am just call state. This state is not created yet, so that is why it will give an error. We are going to create this state. So pass scroll strategy in our scroll strategy parameter. So I'm using enter always. You can use enter always collapse, exit until collapse, whatever you want, but I'm using scroll strategy enter always. Alright, and in the toolbar we have to open a parenthesis. Now we are going to create a state remembers collapsing toolbar scaffold state. Now you can see our error will gone. Reformat it, and within this toolbar we are going to write our composable what we want to show in the this collapsing toolbar. Alright, just like image, text, and in the body part you can pass your composable which you want to show to the user, which is present in the body section. Alright, so in the toolbar I am going to create a simple box having modifier fill max width, and height would be 150.dp, and just called pin at the end, and then after pass background color. So color which is equals to color dot, actually not using color, instead using material theme dot colors primary. Now it's look fine. Just import this TP. Yep. Alright, so that's it from box for our box. Now I am going to create an image. So I am using painter resource pass r dot drawable dot ic collapsing, which is present in the our drawable folder, you can see, and in the content description I pass null. After that I am passing content scale dot crop, and then I am going to pass alpha. But before passing this alpha we are going to create a variable naming text size, which will actually hold the text size. You can see in the emulator this text size is going to be expand or shrink depending on our collapsing toolbar state. Alright, so for this we have to create this text size. Alright, so this text size is initially at 18 sp, and now it is changing by the factor of 13 minus 12 into state dot toolbar state progress. So this is an SP because it is representing the text size. Alright, so now depending on this we are going to appear and disappear the image. So if our text size value is equals to 18f, on that occasion we are going to disappear our image, and it is not the case, then we simply show our image. In the text, basically it is a text title imported. This is a collapsing toolbar. We have to pass style, so the style would be a text style. Color would be white, and the text size here we are using font size is coming from our text size. Alright, now I'm using modifier to modify it. So modifier padding, and the padding would be 16 dp. Now reformat this. So that's all for our image and text. Alright, now in the body part. So in the body part I'm using lazy column. Instead of content I am first passing modifier. So modifier is equal to modifier fill max size, and within this lazy column we call item, basically 100 items, and within this I am going to create a card. So card modifier, so card modifier, which is equal to modifier fill max width, and then after I am going to provide some padding to it, let's say 8 dp, and within this card I am going to create a text. So this text is, this is card number it. So basically it will represent the list item count. So basically 0 1 2 3 4 and so on, and I'm using modifier dot fill max width, and I provide padding of 16 dp. Now I am going to call this main content within this surface. So main content, and run our application. And here you can see our collapsing toolbar is very bad condition. So now we are going to make this perfect. In the image part I'm not using modifier, so modifier is equal to modifier fill max size, just provide comma, and yep, everything is fine. Run this application again. And here you can see our collapsing toolbar at the bottom, at the top, and when you scroll up this size will be decreased, but this is not looking good. What I want, when I expand this collapsing toolbar, this text would be here somewhere. Alright, so for that, jump in our text. In the modifier we use road. So when collapse, the alignment is at the top start, and when it is expanded the alignment should be at the bottom start. Now run this application and see the behavior of the text is changed or not. So here you can see on the expansion it will be bottom start, and on the collapse it is top start. So yep, now it's looking fine from my side. And that's it from the application. So we created an application successfully in which our collapsing toolbar is working perfectly fine. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that I provide more content regarding Jetpack Compose. Alright, thank you.